There are some verbs that are very seldom used in progressive tenses. That's simply because they, by definition, do not and can't describe any progressive ongoing action. Let's break them down into several groups. Verbs that describe being or existence, such as be, consist of, contain, exist. For example, our lecture consists of 4 parts. You cannot say, our lecture is consisting of 4 parts. It's not some progressive, ongoing action. An example with the verb be. Sorry, she is not here. Or she is sharp as a tack. Exist. You're imagining things. Dinosaurs don't exist anymore. None of these examples describe an ongoing, progressive, dynamic action. Another type of verb that are not used in present progressive. Verbs of possessing, such as have, belong, own, include, possess, etc. For example, Susan has 7 cats, and she wants to buy 1 more. This car apparently doesn't belong to you anymore. I don't create things. I own things. Also, we don't normally use present progressive for verbs describing feeling or wanting, such as love. I love you so much. Understand. I don't understand a single word you're saying. Adore. I adore people who donate their money to seek children. Envy. He envies me because I have a successful business. Some other words that describe feelings are desire, want, pity, need, prefer, and many others. Next category is verbs of thinking or believing. For example, think. I think you can make a good dancer. I believe that one day our economy will thrive. Expect. I expect you to be home by 6 p.m., pal. Imagine. He always imagines himself living on Mars. Realize. Now I realize how stupid I was. What do all these words have in common? They all are verbs of thinking and believing in different flavors, and they can't, by definition, mean a progressive, ongoing action. Another category, verbs of appearance. For example, the verb look. She looks gorgeous. Everything looks good so far, boss. Seem. He seems a bit upset. Don't you think? Resemble. She resembles her father. And there are many other verbs that don't fall into any category, such as concern. Why does my wife concern you so much? Depend. Your money situation depends on your behavior. Deserve. He did a great job. He deserves a pat on the back. Fit. This dress doesn't fit you anymore. Live with it. Matter. It doesn't matter if you're beautiful or ugly. I still love you. Mean. Don't fire me. My job means a lot to me. Mind. Hey, do you mind if I take my bag from under you? Weigh. I'm even afraid to ask you how much you weigh. There are many more verbs that are rarely used in progressive tenses. But does it mean that all of them are never used in progressive? Of course not. And you'll find out more in the next lesson.